subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video.
I like to become a Russian sometime. If the makers are watching right now, call me. I'm only waiting for my phone to ring up. Now you're putting me into a fix.
मैं तो अपनी favorite.
Let's do this.
When it comes to you, I get super nervous.
The Zoom house act.
And
You're more nervous than I am.
Hey guys, this is Nawaz Kochra and we are back with yet another episode of Bollywood Zoomies. This time we have with us somebody really special. He's been a big name in the TV industry. We've seen him as a host, we've seen him acting on the small screen, and now we've seen him in Cartel as Abhay. So let me welcome amongst us Ritwik Dhanjani. Hey Ritwik, how are you?
I am absolutely stunning. Nawaz, how are you?
Very well. And how's the entire Cartel experience been? The show is getting an amazing response.
It is going kick ass. Every day we get some massive response. Now it's been about close to 5 days that the show's been released. And every day, like whoever watches it is coming out and telling me how great the show is, how great they really like my work. And I'm so I can't tell you how overwhelmed I am because Nawaz, this was so important to me. This show has been extremely important to me for so many reasons. I've invested 3 years of my life and I really wanted this to do well for me and for everybody else. The result is coming out and people are talking about it like the way they are.
So let me tell you one thing. I was watching, I haven't seen the web show yet, to be honest. I plan to watch it over the weekend. However, I was watching the trailer and I was extremely impressed by the Tapori accent that you've taken, okay, in the show. So I would want to know, how was that experience of, picking up that lingo?
It was lovely, man. It was lovely. I've always been a fan of accents.
Okay.
All right, the way people speak, I really like it. Like I would, in between my friends, if we're just chilling in one of the nights, out of nowhere, I like to become a Russian for some time, and I really want to be Arabic sometime. I love doing that. And finally, I could put all of that energy to play. And it's been amazing of how I created Abhay is because it's a show in itself. I was very lucky enough to be, we had our ex-producer and a very dear friend, Mr. Sunil Manchanda. He actually made me meet a real-life Abhay. His name was Vinod More.
Okay.
Vinod More bhai is from RA. He talks and walks like Abhay. He lives like Abhay. He's from a RA family. And all that I had to do was I had to spend so much time with him. I spent like about a couple of days, and all the conversations that him and me did, I very secretly recorded in my phone. He still doesn't know it. I'm pretty sure I've said it out aloud in interviews now, so he must be knowing it. But I recorded his dialect and sort of tried to learn from the way he rolls his words and uses the tonality of the words and put that into my script. That's how it sort of happened.
Okay, what is that one moment from Cartel that you are never going to forget?
So many. I can't choose one, man. You can't give me this. This is difficult. I can't choose one. It could be the first day of me shooting. The first day of me shooting Cartel was with Surya Patel. Then the day when I realized that Monica Dogra is saying yes to play Monica, to play Maya opposite me, I was like, yes. And then when I heard Jeetu Bhai come in, so very interestingly, while I was learning Abhay and while I was creating Abhay, I was actually watching Jitendra Joshi play Katekar on Sacred Games. And I would record his videos and I would sort of study his lingo of the way he sort of spoke Marathi. He speaks great Marathi. Halaki, he's not Maharashtrian, he's Joshi. So he speaks great Marathi. So I copied him also a little bit. And then finally get to know that he's playing my elder brother. Matlab, it was like कि Sone Pe Suhaga 4 chand, मतलब 16 chand lag jana. Such great actors are coming together. And so yeah, man, it's been fantastic.
Okay, now Ritwik, we know you are a superstar on television. In fact, I remember the first time when I saw you on Pyar Ki Ek Kahani as a werewolf, to you playing a character in Pavitra Rishta. Your journey on TV also has been tremendous. You've also worked on the web space, so I'd like to know from you that what is this one difference that you have seen in the process working on a web space while working on television? How is it different?
I think the main difference is the timelines. we're actually on a web show. We are submitting ourselves to the script, and we invest time and effort and a lot of blood and sweat in completing the already designed characters and script. It's not being decided as we speak. It doesn't change. It's a story that has been written, worked upon, and you achieve the best out of that script. Whereas in television, we're actually serving the timelines of every week. Like, we gotta deliver. No matter what you do, you gotta have to have an episode ready. And there could be times when the writers, don't feel like writing. Like, it's a creative process, right? You have writer's block. But no, on a television show, even if you have a creative block, brother, you're a writer, you gotta write. You're an actor, you gotta act. So, whatever comes your way, no matter what. So I think that is the major difference. And that's exactly what sort of differentiates with these two mediums, is because you can build your character. You can work on how he's going to speak, how he's going to talk, how he's going to look, and eventually progress into becoming what the script demands of you. Whereas in television, I think you sort of create a structure of your character, and then everything is written around it, because they know, okay, this is what the character is. This is what he will do. So it's the other way around.
Okay. Also, why have we not seen you in Bollywood yet? What is stopping you from doing films?
Did you ask me what is stopping me?
Yes.
Nothing.
Then why haven't we seen you in Bollywood?
Buddy, I think I really hope and pray. Of course, I've been offered a lot of Bollywood film projects, but they weren't the projects that I really wanted to be a part of. Honestly, like, the scripts didn't speak to me, and honestly, there have been so many parts that I really wanted to be a part of. Okay. But of course, I couldn't get through, because it's a process. It's a process of the director sort of thinking of an actor particularly to fit into a part. So if the makers are watching right now, call me. I'm only waiting for my phone to ring up, man.
Okay. All right. So let's say if you ever, get a chance to work in a Bollywood movie, what kind of a film would we, see Ritwik Dhanjani in? Like, what is that film that appeals to you?
I think anything to do with detective dramas.
Okay.
Sherlock, Vyomkesh Bakshi, Chacha Chaudhary, anything to do with detective dramas. I love them. I love being Sherlock.
And who can we say is your dream director?
Oh man, so many. You're putting me into a fix. I have so many amazing people that I really want to work with.
It's okay, you can go on with the list. That's not a problem.
Man, there's so many of them. Yeah. I really like Dinesh Bhujan's work. I really like Pulkit's work. I recently saw Satyanshu. He's just directed Chauda Phere. He was a director of Chintu Ka Birthday. I want to work with him. Of course, the big names, of course, Raju Irani ji, be it Anurag Kashyap, be it Karan Johar, be it Farah ma'am, so many people. Rohit sir, I want to work with all of them, man. There is no one particular director that I want to choose. I want to work with all of them.
Okay, and who's your dream co-star?
Neeraj Pandey. Oh.
Okay. So who's your dream co-star then? One actress you'd like to probably share screen space with?
Alia Bhatt.
Okay.
Yeah. Radhika.
Oh, that's an interesting choice. All right. So Ritwik, now we move on to our game segment, which is called Yours Virtually. Okay, I will be giving you fun questions, and in that, you have to be very spontaneous and very quick. All right? Let's go. So I will be showing you 3 pictures from your Instagram, and you have to instantly caption them for me. All right?
Okay.
So here goes the first picture. 1 second. Okay, this is the first picture.
This is Mummy ka ladla beta. Says Happy Diwali.
Okay. All right. The second one.
Oh, it's actually looking at someone. I'm like, hey, did you watch Cartel?
That's nice. I like it. Okay. This is the third picture.
Yes, I do.
Okay, that was fun. All right. So now, never have I ever deleted a post from social media.
Does it count like deleting because I posted the wrong picture and then putting it up again? Does that count?
Yeah, that counts.
then I've deleted because मैंने कुछ photo डाला and I was like नहीं यार ये अच्छा नहीं था तो मैं immediately delete किया and then put it up again.
Okay. Never have I ever messaged somebody famous on social media.
Without knowing them?
Yeah, without knowing them.
No, I have. I reached out to Sir Oni Sen. He's the director of Asur. I slid into his DMs. I had a fanboy moment and I was like, Sir, I love what you do. And I poured my heart out. I reached out to the director of Ritviz's new song, where Rudraksh is a part of it. I think her name is Dahar Kai. She's the director of Jugaad. I think she's with Jugaad Pictures. I reached out to both of them, the production house people, and I told them how their work so amazing. So I think there are a few people who have slid into their DM, but only for appreciating their work for sure.
Okay. Alright, so now I'll be giving you 3 Bollywood dialogues and I want you to enact them like the actress has done it. Okay.
Like the
actress has done it.
You really are on fire, Nawaz. You really okay. Go for it, man.
Okay. So your first dialogue is मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
मैं तो अपनी favorite.
Okay. Here we go with the second one. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू?
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू? सुहागन के सर का ताज होता है सिंदूर.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, सब प्यार से लगता है.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से लगता है.
Oh, that was nice. Okay. If you have to use one pickup line, what would that be?
Oh, are you carrying knee pads? She'll ask me, no, why? Because you make me weak in my knees.
Oh, okay. What in a woman attracts you? Beauty or brains?
This is, by the way, this is not my pickup line. Huh? This is not my pickup line. This is Vahi's pickup line. I have straight away chapoed it from him. This is Karan Vahi's pickup line.
Oh,
He's
Karan
taught me all
Vahi
of
would-
this. He's amazing with pickup
I'd
lines.
like to see how he would
Vahi
react
has-
to this.
Oh, Vahi has some amazing pickup lines. वो हराम को बहुत कमाल की pickup lines. और बहुत funny. ये उसी की है.
अच्छा, तो और क्या टिप्स आप लेते हो भाई से?
भाई से और क्या टिप्स लेता हूँ?
Yes.
अब ये तुम्हें बता दूंगा तो कैसे चलेगा? अरे ये तुम्हें बताऊंगा तो कैसे चलेगा?
Okay. अच्छा, what in a woman attracts you? Beauty or brains?
Oh, brain.
One thing that nobody knows about Ritwik Dhanjari.
That I'm extremely sensitive and emotional. Like
Okay.
fragile.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. 3 words that define you.
Belief, faith, and Bappa.
Okay. All right. Since Alia Bhatt is your dream co-star, I am giving you 20 seconds, and in that you have to tell me as many movies of Alia Bhatt as you can remember. So one second, I'll
Oh
just
my
set
God.
the timer and
Wait. This is going to be difficult. Okay. All right, great. Ready?
yes, here we go.
Student of the Year, Razi, Highway, Humpty Sharma की दुल्हनिया, the other one, Bumpy किसकी दुल्हनिया? Humpty Sharma की दुल्हनिया part 1 का क्या था?
Badrinath
वो
की
जो भी था।
दुल्हनिया.
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया, फिर वो कौन सी?
Okay, time up.
No, ये ना
Dear Zindagi.
Dear Zindagi.
Okay. All right. You did well, Ritwik. Thank you so much for removing
Thank you.
time and having this conversation with us. It
Thank
was
you, man.
super
Thank
fun.
you. I had a great time.
Hi guys, so this was it for today, and if you like this episode, please do like, share and subscribe to Miss Malini, and do watch out for the next episode of Bollywood Zoomies coming Tuesday.